Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to verify if system files and drivers are digitally signed in Windows 10. System files and drivers are digitally signed for your protection should any changes occur. If you suspect problems with any of your files or drivers, we can verify if any unsigned files are on your computer using Windows Signature Verification. Go to search bar, type run, it will come up, or right-click on Start, then select Run, or press the Windows key and type in SIGVERIF, and press Enter or OK. After open File Signature Verification window, press Start. My system no more unsigned files right now. If any problems are found, it will show you the file name. You should resolve the problem with update driver. There are many cases, malware, viruses, where you have a file you suspect is a problem. In this case, you should run System File Checker. The Advanced tab has the option of saving a log file, which is on by default and saved to C:\\, users \, public \, documents \, sigverif.txt. You can view the result here. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.